Alright guys, welcome back again to the first shipment of May. So today is going to be a decently sized shipment I got to make today. Um, I don't have everything prepped, so I guess are going to watch me prep things today. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Like I said, there isn't much. All these ASINs are, or most of these ASINs are pretty much new. So I already know what needs to not be prepped and stuff that does need to be prepped. I think actually I only have like 2 items in this shipment that is a multi-pack that I need to prep together. But other than that, everything else is like a single. So shouldn't take too long. Do y'all remember these? You watched the last other vlogs? The ones that I sent last time sold fast. I don't know if they sold fast. I wouldn't say they sold fast, but they sold. I mean, it was only one unit, but it does a pretty good profit. I should probably buy more, but the downside to this product is extremely expensive. The buy cost for this thing is like 20 bucks. With the amount of money I have, spending 20 bucks on one item is it's not really a good use of my money, my inventory money. Even though it profits decently, but there's more items that I could probably spend like probably $5 to $10 and buy multiple units of, and spread my money out more to different products because of the low buy costs. But I mean, it's good to have like a mix of stuff that's bringing in money and stuff that you can test. Oh, actually, I mean, there's 3 ASINs in here that are multi-packs. That's a multi-pack. And then everything in this box should be a multi-pack too. Yep. Alright. Let's go ahead and prep this stuff quickly. Alright, that works. I only got a prep 2, so like always, I never go super deep on new products because I have no idea how fast they sell and how well they sell. So today's monthly goal is going to be, I want to say 300, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to receive the money fast enough and if my products are going to be able to get fast enough into the warehouses. But I know for sure that I have at least $200 of profit in the Amazon warehouses right now. So I'm confident. I'm pretty sure I can do 200. But the goal is to do 300. or at least get close to doing 300. I would say like 280 or something, 280, 270. I mean, last month was like, I think it was like 230 or 240 in profit. So I got pretty close to 300 last month. All right. Oh, all right. So I got everything prepped now. Now it's just time to label and pack everything up to ship. All right, so there is 39 units going out in this shipment. All right, so all labels were used, so that means all products are accounted for. That's good news. Now it's time to test fit everything. All right, so big boxes are these are all gonna go into their own damn. All right. All right. Box 3. Might be able to fit more. This might work. Okay. Alright, then hopefully I can put all this into a Walmart box. There's also so much room in this box too. Alright. So everything is going to go in 4 total boxes. Go ahead and start getting these ready. Alright, we got this box that weighs 6.10 ounces, so it's going to be 7 pounds. £8.11. $7.14. This one's probably gonna weigh like 26 pounds. I was wrong. It's 22.3. 23. Alright, so this entire shipment with placement fees is gonna be $42.65. That is actually super expensive. Divide that by 39 because there's 39 units. $1.09 per unit, which is what has been the same price for the past 2 shipments so far. So nothing's changed. Everything is the same. Let's go ahead and accept that and start. Alright, so now it's time to go to the post office. As always, if you stuck around to the end, thanks for watching all the way to the end. And if you want to know what tools that I use to prep all this shipment and stuff, you can find them in the links below in the description and probably in the comment section. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.